Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, so that may clear your doubts or some kind of confusion you have in your situation, guys. So you can stay tuned for that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards, guys. We have King of Wands, Four of Swords and Chariot. So Aries, in your situation, guys, you are someone really friendly, honest. You are working hard, you are a very responsible person, and you don't want to do anything in the wrong way. You have a deep conscience guiding you, intuition working in your situation, so you don't want to do anything bad or wrong. And maybe in this love with this person, you want to do things the right way. Maybe you don't want to create any difficult situation for this person and even for you. And you are someone who is really reliable and trustworthy. That may be the reason people love you and they may come towards you for guidance and support, guys. And Aries, in your situation, though you are honest, hardworking, there may be some difficulties you are facing, some obstacles in your career situation. So there are some new changes coming up, some new opportunities that involves you traveling or moving to a different place for work. So for some of you, you are seeing new opportunities in your career, and it needs a travel for your business or for your maybe change of residence for some of you guys. So some kind of move is what is happening. So though it is something positive, you need to cope up with the changes that are coming towards you guys. And maybe for some of you, if you are seeing some troubles in your situation today, guys, Aries, in your career situation or in your relationship, you need not worry, guys, because I see that you, whatever troubles you are facing, you are going to come out triumphant and successful. So all these obstacles are not going to bother you in any way, guys, Aries. And I also see that you are in deep thought about something, guys. Maybe you, just like I said previously, you do not want to make any mistake. So that is the reason you are in deep thought, thinking and planning, maybe thinking and planning about your future with this person, about this love, what needs to be done or what will work for both of you. So some kind of a deep thought you are in, and maybe you are expecting clarity, some kind of clarity you need in your situation. That may be the reason you are waiting. Maybe you are thinking of marriage or a deeper commitment. So you are thinking and planning. That is what I see, guys. So some kind of this is the time for you to make clear choices, Aries, in your situation. So things are going well. Maybe you're planning your future, planning the path you need to take for your successful future, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Aries, for your general reading. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy, so you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something, and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that or who have that total you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person deeply, you have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.